Students, in this video I am going to explain the proof of converse of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So in the previous video I explained the basic proportionality theorem proof. So I will give the link in the cards. If you want, you can watch there. Now, what is the statement? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. So that means, suppose if I am taking a triangle like this, some A, B, C, and if I am drawing one line like that, so D and E, if AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, then obviously here DE is parallel to BC. So that is the thing we need to prove here. So what is the statement of basic proportionality theorem? If a line is parallel, it will divide in the same ratio. In converse, if the line divides in same ratio, it is parallel. So now we will see the proof. So we need to prove DE is parallel to BC when if AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio. Therefore, we can write AD by DB is equals to AE and EC, and assume DE is not parallel to BC. This is our assumption. DE is not parallel to BC. So if DE is not parallel to BC means, then definitely there must be a one line which is parallel to BC. So now assume let the DE dash is a line which is parallel to BC. So now draw a line DE dash which is parallel to BC. So D is not parallel, clearly here assumed that. So if D is not parallel, there must be one line. That line I am assuming as some DE dash. So now DE, therefore DE dash is parallel to BC. So by BPT, what we can write? AD by DB is equals to AE dash by E dash C. So let it be 2. Assume this as a 1. From 1 and 2, we can write AE by EC is equals to AE dash by E dash C. So now add 1 on both sides. So AE by EC plus 1, AE dash by E dash C plus 1. So AE plus EC by EC equals to AE dash plus E dash C by E dash C. Plus 1 means then EC will be multiplied with 1. Here E dash C will be multiplied. AE plus EC. AE plus EC. It is AC by EC equals to AC by E dash C. So this we can write now like this. Here AC and AC are equal. So definitely here the denominators must be equal. This fraction, suppose we are considering this as a fraction, the numerators are equal and the total fraction is equal. Then obviously, then definitely EC should be equals to E dash C. So therefore EC is equals to E dash C. Now here the point is, here both E and E dash C lie on same side of the C, but we are getting the distance from E to C is same as E dash C. In case if they are in opposite direction, for example C is here, here E is there, E dash is there. If it is some 2 units, it is possible. But if C is here, suppose E is here and E dash is here, this is 2, this is also 2. This case we are getting now here. If you see, this is an example. Either E dash E should be 2 or EC should be 2. Both cannot be possible. So in case if it is true, then definitely it should be like that. E and E dash must be the same points. Then only this condition will be satisfied. EC is equals to E dash C. So otherwise it is not satisfied. If they are on opposite side, it's not an issue. So that we can conclude that now the above situation possible only if E and E dash coincides. So otherwise this condition cannot be happen and it cannot be true. So if E and E dash coincides, then obviously DE dash and DE will be the same lines. So if E and E dash represents the same points, E and E dash represents same point. Therefore DE and DE dash must be the same lines. So therefore, as DE dash is parallel to BC, then DE is also parallel to BC. So finally we can write DE is parallel to BC. So hence proved. So once again telling the statement, if AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, then definitely here DE is parallel to BC. So this is the converse of BPT. So if a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side.